New live streaming app alerts. In this video today, I'm going to introduce to you as well as practically show you the latest live streaming platform, how to make use of it, how to register and all that. Ever since I've made this video sharing with you 3 live streaming platforms that I use to earn money on the internet, people keep asking me bring another one, introduce another one to us. This one is now old and all that. Of a truth, there are a lot of brands that are reaching out to me via my email to promote live streaming platform, but whenever I go in, I see what I don't like. It does not resonate with me, my principle, and my person, so I don't talk about them. This one, they didn't reach out to me. I just found out and I decided to share with you. So if all this interests you, please give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. On this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. So let's go to the practical aspect. In the description of this video and in the comment section, I'm going to drop the link so that you can download and sign up the app. So if you click, it will just bring you here to Lollipop. So in my own case, I sign up with Google. You can sign up with Telegram if you wish. I sign up with my Google. It's easier. So if you click on sign up with Google, it will bring you to just directly where you can choose your gender. So I'm a female, of course. It is important you choose the right gender because the tax that is there is different based on gender, and of course, all this platform favors ladies more than the guy. So the first thing you should do the moment you sign up, if the name is not tallying with your name, you just click on this pen icon right here, and then you edit your name and write the name the way it should be. That's the first thing. Then the second thing you need to do the moment you sign up is to do your face authentication. So you just click on this AUTH, you click on it and you authenticate. Put your face right there and let it authenticate, because all this platform, they don't allow you to have more than one account. So it is important you do authentication, because without doing your authentication, you would not be able to live stream. As you can see, it's new. I've not done anything. I only do like 1 hour live stream. So on this platform, as a female, you do 2 hours live stream as a newcomer. So each hour is 5,000 points, and 10,000 points is equivalent to $1. So for the next 7 days, as you sign up and you do your live stream, you are going to be getting $1. And aside from that, there are other tags which I'm going to show you in this video. So after you have done your authentication, the next thing you need to do is to join agency. So you click on join agency right here and put my agency ID. Although in this one is optional, I have another platform that I want to introduce to you, but not in this video. If you are interested, kindly comment latest live streaming app. So if I see up to 20% that are interested, I'm going to show you that one. You don't even have to live stream. That one you don't even have to join agency. So you just copy this my ID and paste. That's 562947201. So you just click on my agency and then you paste so that you join my agency. Is optional. Then the next thing you are going to do is to go live. All right, so for you to go live, you are going to click on your home page right here. As you click right here, you are going to click on live. All right, so the moment you click on live, you are going to click on go live. So if you click on go live, voila, I'm right here live streaming on the platform. But one thing you should note is that in this particular platform, you don't have to look away. If I look away like this now, you will see that before you know, they will just give me a warning. So in this particular app, there are different type of ID. Like me now, if you want to join my agency, my ID is 100062. If you want to join my party, my ID is 36361022. And if you want to check and follow me to see my board, my ID is 562947201. So make sure your face is right there. And then when people are joining, you will see them right here. But you cannot see how long you have stayed. So that is why I would suggest that if you are starting to live stream, you just check the time. Like now, this is 7:35 a.m. 3rd of February, Monday. So yes, so the moment you do that, you now check in the next 1 hour, you can just exit, because the app is still new, they are still developing it. So I'll just go out of it right here now. I'll just click here and then I'll click on quit. So how do you receive your reward? So if you want to receive your reward, you will see this tax right here. If you see this tax right here, you click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to show you your tax. Like this one that I just started now, it didn't even count, you see. So I will now, once this is now 0/60, I've not done this live stream. This is 0/60. So once it's 60/60, you click this one too. Once it's 120/120, you click. So there are other tags there, as you can sit on the mic. People can send you gifts. I'm also going to show you how to play game. So if you want me to do a video on how to play game on Lollipop, comment how to play game on Lollipop. If I see up to 10 persons that comment how to play game, I'm going to show you how to play the game. Last night I didn't sleep. I was busy learning this so that I can show you how it works. So after you have done the tasks, you receive them. So if you receive, this is your point and this is your coins. And on this platform, you can also buy coins. If you want to buy coins, you can click on this offline seller, and if you click, it will open. You are going to see, like as a Nigerian now, you are going to see people that are verified coin seller. As you can see, this person now, I DM him and ask him that I want to buy coin. He dropped his phone number. So that is how it's done. Please, I will never DM you or ask you to pay for coins. Anybody trying to do that, impersonating me, is not me. Please beware. And of course, I have a Telegram group. My Telegram members now, before you watch this video, they have already seen and they are already signing up. So in my Telegram channel and Telegram group, I drop notification, I drop information news like this one, so you can join. But please beware, once you join my Telegram group, anyone that is DMing you pretending to be me is not me. Please don't be scammed. All right, so that's how to buy coins. So another thing I would want to also share with you is you can also invite people, because you get reward for invites. You can click on this invite, like this link I share with you. For everyone that use my link, thank you so much. I'm very grateful. So you can just click on invite now, and then you copy the link to invite people to the platform, so that you get reward for doing that as well. So I'm going to also share with you 7 different ways to make money with Lollipop. If you are interested, again, comment interested in ways to make money with Lollipop platform. You can also please follow me on the platform. All right, there is so much to do, there's so much to learn. As you can see, me too, I'm just new, but I didn't sleep, being that I am a bit techie and I love making money and I teach you how to make money. That is why I decided to do this video. So thank you so much. If you have any question, ask in the comment section, and hope to see you in my next video, where I'll be showing you how to make money on the Lollipop, how to play game with Lollipop, and how introducing to you the new latest another live streaming. This year is going to be so incredible. Like, I know. Thank you so much for liking this video. This year is going to be so much, there'll be so much blessing, there'll be so much money to be made. Like, I am doing a detailed video for beginners guide into cryptocurrency. Like, the market is going red right now, but you can't even begin to imagine how much I have made while it's going down, based on the news I heard about Donald Trump, the tax and all that. As I see that, I just predicted that with this, that means the market will go downward, and as I predicted that it's going downward, I short it and I made money. So even as it's going down, I'm making money. So please, if you are also interested in that video, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you turn on your notification, or you can also comment. If you ask in the comment section, if you check like this my video now, all the people that ask about a particular video, I come back to reply to you once the video is live with the link. You just click and watch. So thank you so much. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.